case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the tangled weave of farming disputes, one such case highlights a unique interpretation of equity law. The saga of Timmer v. Gray unfurled in the Midwest in 1986, centered around two mismatched farming discs left to the elements. Neighboring farmer William Gray took charge of these forgotten relics after acquiring the land they were left on. Recognizing their disrepair, Gray enlisted Jed Maggert to breathe new life into the neglected machines. Gray subsequently sold the revitalized discs, worth markedly more due to Maggert's work, to the Timmer family for a modest price, reflective of their previous dilapidated state. The Timmers, after becoming the proud new owners of these surprisingly well-refurbished discs, were soon after thrust into legal disputes, Maggert, seeking compensation for his unpaid handiwork, and the Timmers, seeking possession, ended up in sharp opposition. The trial court ruled in favor of the Timmers, granting them possession of the discs, but throwing an unexpected curveball. Maggert was awarded an equitable lien to account for the cost of his repairs, the court understanding this as a just solution to prevent the Timmers from unfair enrichment. The heart of the controversy revolves around the theory of unjust enrichment, the principle that one ought not to profit at another's expense without due compensation. The appellate court affirmed the trial court's decision, viewing the Timmers as purchasers who had unwittingly secured property of greater value due to Maggert's work. The court held that they were not bona fide purchasers. Hence, the tale serves as a cautionary lesson around the nuances of good faith purchases. A twist in the story could undoubtedly transform a profitable deal into a winding legal dispute. The Timmers' inexpensive purchase turned costly, inadvertently acknowledging Maggert's right to his unpaid dues for the first-class repair job. The final say? Always thoroughly inspect potential purchases and always pay the repairman.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class